For those of you who say na parang, hey, cameo lang sila sa Soberano, panoorin nyo muna yung sine and balikan nyo kami and know na when we say na she is actually one of the best parts of the film, 100% hindi po kami bayad na truth. na talagang sobrang ang galing ni Liza dito sa scene na to. She plays Taffy,
The stepsister.
the stepsister of Lisa, and yung role niya, actually sinasabi doon sa mga featurette information that we've been posting na her role is actually very tricky to pull off, according kay Diablo and kay Zelda.
Yes,
Kasi, syempre, pag sinabi mong cheerleader, kasi yung role dito, ano siya yung popular girl cheerleader.
Cheerleader stepsister.
Oo.
So,
usually,
talagang cliche and stereotype sandwich.
At saka, dahil dun sa yung sasabi mong stereotype sandwich na yon, ang expectation ng kapag sinabing cheerleader, yung bitch, yung character. Talagang
Mean
papahirapan
girl.
yung bida natin. Pero, she actually is quite the opposite. Sobrang niyang bait kay Lisa.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang talaga niyang, ang gandang subversion